Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. And this is video I will explain about listening class. There are three topics. The first is about listening difficulty, and the second is about strategy in listening class. The third is about what do you for the listening class. I make video to fulfill the final test intermediate listening Nahdlatul Ulama Blitar University. The first is about listening difficulty. The difficulty means the difficult that mostly find the English student learner. Therefore, it is really common if you think that listening activities is the most difficult lesson in your class. Since it needs to be practiced, when you never practice, it happens so will you really have many serious problems in this class. So how many kinds listening difficulties do you have? I will mention 8 about 7 points, but maybe you almost have all of the difficulties, but maybe you just have some of them. So it depends on yourself. Have you learn English much as possible on? No, so it's annoying. Actually, chemistry there are 7 in listening difficulty. The first is clustering. The second is redundancy. The third is reduce from. The fourth is performance variable. The fifth is threat of delivery. The sixth is step, rhythm, and intonation. And the last is about interaction performed. The first is about clustering. What is the clustering? Clustering is the version fit into a smaller group. After it means you turn hair of the word which is spoken by the speaker, but you just a little. Just second a little it means clustering, so you cannot listen complete. The second is about redundancy. Redundancy means the repetition of refreshing or elaboration or literal a little insular. The function of from redundancy is give you can for thinking. For the speaker, what you think, but many times the student just listen the redundancy, not the statement which is spoken by the speaker. The third is reduce from. Is it almost similar with clustering? You listen the statement completely, but you to know what the meaning. The difference between reduce from and clustering is like this one. When clustering happen, the speaker said many statements, but you just can quote a word or some word, but we is ready from you listen completely, but you cannot catch a meaning. You listen something you never hit, so this difference between clustering and reduced form. The next is perform variable. Perform variable is the perform of the speaker when they are speaking. So sometimes we find that the speaker cannot speak fluently, and sometimes we find that the speaker can speak fluently, and sometimes we find the speaker cannot speak fluently. Sometimes it's ready, clearly, but sometimes you just listen many kinds of pause, many kinds of speculation, many kinds of false statement, forward, and then the speaker needs to crack it, needs to check it. It depends of the speaker performance. The fifth is rate of delivery. It is difficulty. We think that the speaker speaks too fast. Whatever the speaker say, we always think that they are speaking too fast. Therefore, it's really difficult for us to follow their speaking, because of that we can catch anything. You listen it carefully, but you catch nothing. The fifth is state, rhythm, and intonation. In this condition, we might listen the intonation by using high intonation or my below intonation and the sit, but you can catch the meaning. And the last interaction performed by the speaker, so using that so time, you think that when the other one is spoke by female speaker, it's too more difficult alternate spoke by male speaker. The second is about strategy in listening class. Strategy in listening class, by true there is no any specific strategy for the listening. The step one is for selective listening. Mean we must to listening everything. We can hear everything, although we don't know the meaning. Don't just focus important words. Time is to really help in listening. The number two is listen the context. When we feel by listening activity, we have to find the contact first. The number three is listen to the speaker feeling. Listen to the speaker speaker feeling and control our emotion. When listening, we can try to catch what is the feeling of the speaker, like he angry or happy and other. And the fourth is recognize male or female. Male and female different in speaking. While the important is we have to stay focused. Don't until all we hear or we do is disturbing. We hear or we do is disturbing or listening. And in listening class, and don't talking or playing handphone and other which can make us no focus. After stay focused is we have to listen carefully for the audio from our lecture. After focus on listening, don't worry anything that we heard from the monologue. After everything done, we must analyze a word or a statement, which what we heard, and connect the word, and then don't give up a lot. We don't get anything. We must more study, more listening. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
That's caught in the crossfire.